How to read messages on WhatsApp without letting the sender know. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings in your WhatsApp. After going on Settings, click on Privacy, located on second, below Account and above Avatar. Then turn off Read Receipts. After you turn on Read Receipts, people won't be able to send or receive read receipts from your chat. You cannot do this with a single person. This is only available with groups, and that's how you read messages on WhatsApp without letting the sender know. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.